How to fix Instagram camera black screen on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram camera black screen on Android phone. First open settings and then scroll until you find apps and then click apps again, and here you will find Instagram. Click on it and now go to permissions and then camera. You will find it like that, uh, phone and microphone. Now click allow and allow all of those here, and then just go back to storage and then click clear cache and then go back to this one, display and brightness, and here we'll find screen resolution. Just make it high and try again and your problem will be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.